ஓம் ஐம் ஹ்ரீம் ஸ்ரீம் ஐம் க்ளீம் சௌம் ஹம்ச சிவசோஹம் மத்ப்ரேம் மதக்ஷமரவீம் வதம் சாட்சமரவீம் சௌம் ஸ்வரூப நிரூபண ஹேதவே துகுருவே ஸ்ரீ அன்னபூர்ணாம்பாதேதம் ஸ்ரீ அமிர்தானந்தநாத சரஸ்வதி ஸ்ரீ குரு ஸ்ரீ பாதுகாம் பூஜயாமி தர்ப்பயாமி நமः. ஐம் ஹ்ரீம் ஸ்ரீம் ஐம் க்ளீம் சௌம் ஹம்ச சிவசோஹம் மத்ப்ரேம் மதக்ஷமரவீம் வதம் சாட்சமரவீம் சௌம் ஸ்வரூப நிரூபண ஹேதவே குருவே ஸ்ரீ அன்னபூர்ணாம்பாதேதம் ஸ்ரீ அமிர்தானந்தநாத சரஸ்வதி ஸ்ரீ குரு ஸ்ரீ பாதுகாம் பூஜ்யாமி தர்ப்பயாமி நமः. शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं तजिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्याये सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तयेत् अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानां एकदन्तमुपास्महे गणानां त्वा गणपतिं गवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमस्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पद आनशृण्वन्नोतिभित्तेदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमन्महागणाधिपतये नमः. ध्यायामि ஓம் ஸ்ரீம் ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वदमानय स्वाहा. ஓம் ஸ்ரீம் ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वदमानय स्वाहा. ஓம் ஸ்ரீம் ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वदमानय स्वाहा. ஓம் ஸ்ரீம் ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वदमानय स्वाहा. ह्रीङ्कारातनगर्भिता नलसिकां सौः क्लीं कलां बिभ्रतीं सौवर्णाम्बरधारिणीं वरदुधादौ तां त्रिनेत्रोज्ज्वलां वन्दे पुस्तकपासमङ्कुशधरां स्रग्भूषिताम् उज्ज्वलां त्वां गौरीं त्रिपुरां परात्परगणां श्रीचक्रसञ्चारिणीम्. ॐ अस्य श्रीशुद्धशक्तिमाला महामन्त्रस्य उपस्थेन्द्रियाधिष्ठायी वरुणादित्यऋषि दैवी गायत्री छन्दसात्विककारभट्टारकपिटिस्थितकामेश्वराङ्कनिलयां महाकामेश्वरी श्रीललिता पराभट्टारिका देवताम् ऐं वीर्यं क्लीं शक्तिः सौः कीलकं मम खड्गसिद्ध्यर्थे सदभीष्टसिद्ध्यर्थे जपे विनियोगः मूलमन्त्रेण षडङ्गन्यासं कुर्यात्. ऐं मङ्गुष्ठाभ्यां नमः, क्लीं तज्जनीभ्यां नमः, सौः मध्यमाभ्यां नमः, सौः अनामिकाभ्यां नमः, क्लीं कनिटिकाभ्यां नमः, ऐं करतलकरपृष्ठाभ्यां नमः, ऐं हृदयाय नमः, क्लीं शिरसे स्वाहा, सौः सिकायै वषट्, सौः कवचाय हुं, क्लीं नेत्रत्रयाय वौ षट्. ऐं अस्त्राय फट् भूभुवः ॐ इति दिग्बन्धः. ध्यानं तादृशं खड्गमाप्नोति येन हस्तस्थितेन वै अष्टादशमाद्वीपा सम्राट् भोक्ता भविष्यति. आरक्ताभां त्रिनेत्रां मरुणवसनां रत्नताटङ्करम्याम् हस्ताम्बोजैस्य पाशाङ्कुशं मदनधनुस्साय कैर्विस्फुरन्तीम् आपीनोत्तुङ्गवक्षोरुह कलशलुटत्तारहारोज्ज्वलाङ्गीं ध्यायेदम्बोरुहस्तां मरुणवसनाम् ईश्वरीम् ईश्वराणां लमित्यादिपञ्चपूजां कुर्यात् यथाशक्तिमूलमन्त्रं जपेत्. ऐं ह्रीं ह्रीं कैलरीं मदकैलरीं सररीं ब्लं पृथिव्यात्मने सत्सङ्गं गन्धं कल्पयामः. ऐं ह्रीं ह्रीं कैलह्रीं मदकैलह्रीं सररीं हम् आकाशात्मने इन्द्रियनिग्रहं पुष्पं कल्पयामः नमः. ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः कैलह्रीं मदकैलह्रीं सकलह्रीं यं वायुआत्मने अरिषड्वर्गविसर्जनं धूपं कल्पयामः. ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः कैलह्रीं मदकैलह्रीं सररीं ब्रं तेजात्मने चित्कलादीपं कल्पयामः. ऐं ह्रीं ह्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः ऐलह्रीं मदकैलह्रीं दररीं वम् अमृततत्त्वात्मने शिवशक्तिसामरस्यं नैवेद्यं कल्प्यामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं ह्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः कैलह्रीं मदकैलह्रीं दररीं अहं ब्रह्मास्मि अयमात्मा ब्रह्म तत्त्वमसि प्रज्ञानं ब्रह्म इति महावाक्यप्रवचनं सुरभिताम्बूलं कल्प्यामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं ह्रीं कैलह्रीं मदकैलह्रीं दगरीं संकालात्मने मनोलयम् आनन्दकर्पूरनीराजनं कल्प्यामि नमः। ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं 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 ॐ नमः त्रिपुरसुन्दरीं हृदयदेवीं शिरोदेवीं शिखादेवीं कवचदेवीं नेत्रदेवीं अस्त्रदेवीं कामेश्वरी भगमालिनीं नित्यक्लिन्ने भेरुण्डे वह्निवादिनी महावज्रेश्वरी शिवदूतीं त्वरिते कुलुसुन्दरी नित्ये नीलपताके विजये सर्वमङ्गले ज्वालामालिनी चित्रे महानित्ये परमेश्वर परमेश्वरी मित्रेशमयि षष्ठीशमयि उड्डीशमयि चर्यानाथमयि लोपामुद्रामयि अगस्त्यमयि कालतापनमयि धर्माचार्यमयि मुक्तकेसीश्वरमयि दीपकलानाथमयि विष्णुदेवमयि प्रभाकरदेवमयि तेजोदेवमयि मनोजदेवमयि कल्याणदेवमयि वासुदेवमयि रत्नदेवमयि श्रीरामानन्दमयि अणिमासिद्धे लघिमासिद्धे गरिमासिद्धे महिमासिद्धे ईसित्वसिद्धे वसित्वसिद्धे प्राकामसिद्धे भुक्तिसिद्धे इच्छासिद्धे प्राप्तिसिद्धे सर्वकामसिद्धे. Up to that we learned the inner meaning and pronunciation. Let us go through the rest of the pronunciation in this avarana. Brahmi, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Vaishnavi, Varahi, Mahendri, Chamunde, Mahalakshmi. Sarvasankshobhini, Sarvavidravini, Sarvakarshini, Sarvavashankari, Sarvonmadini, सर्वमहांकुशे सर्वखेचरी सर्वबीजे सर्वयोने सर्वत्रिगंडे त्रैलोक्यमोहनचक्रस्वामिनी प्रकटयोगिनी. So now the Matruka Devatas are inviting us with open arms. That is the Matruka Devata. Mother normal pose she won't give. Matruka Devata is, come my son, my child. I'm there to protect you. In 8 different ways. This is the beauty. We're just in the first avarana, the second row. What all required for my complete life. I say complete because both on the mundane side and the spiritual side, everything is given by these mothers. Same mother. Perima. Perima Madil Irupa. The big mother is in the, what you call, penthouse, Bindustan. The same ma in the form of Kutti Kutti Ma. Just think like that we can enjoy the presence of mothers. And the only thing which we need to do is everything is taken care. by her. I just give you an example. You all know that we have done a small contribution to the poor feeding in need of food. The stranded workers from Bihar and Orissa, they don't have food, so we prepared food. To be frank, we ran out of rice yesterday and we didn't see that. And what all the rice we have, 7 kilos or 10 kilos, we just exhausted and you got somehow one bag. And we cooked the rice. Without worrying how we are going to get the second bag. And evening, just few minutes before, 4 bags of rice has been sent. That means 100 kilos have been sent to our Peetham. We do not even go out. Thanks to Purushottam Garu of Tennessee. He called Mandia called Hoskote called everything who did. Brahmi Maheshwari Komari Vaishnavi Varahi Mahendri Chamunde Mahalakshmi. You cannot have their darshan in any other way. These are the devatas. And they came, they took photographs with me, they had some juice and then left. This is mother. Never worry about how I can do. That itself makes mother laugh. So, everything will be good. Brahmi, normally we say Brahma's sect. Hamsa Yukta Vimanagre Saksha Sutraka Mandalam. She is Brahmi. She is Hamsa Yukta Vimanagre. She is riding a chariot which is carried by swan. Sa Akshasutra Kamandalahu. She is holding one Japamala and Kamandala. Kausam Bhaksharike Devi. That's from another sloka, I'm just taking it. Narayani Namostade. This is Brahmi. Let us come to that description of the sloka later. But who is this Brahmi? We all have seen Brahmi. Do you know that? We all have seen. The mother who has taught me that is red, that is yellow, this is fire. My physical mother is Brahmi. My father is Varahi. It comes later, who puts discipline in my life. And then when I go to school and college, all the teachers, lecturers who teach me subjects to give me some worldly knowledge, to get me some job, to survive myself and to take care of my future. The same Brahmi in the form of gurus. When I marry, the same Brahmi comes in not so transparent way and gives me ability and skill how to handle this samsara. But one more thing I am missing here. When I am shouting at my child, and when my child replies back to me saying, Daddy, you said I have to be exercising peace and compassion. Why are you shouting? Is this Shantam? Then I need to realize that the same Brahmi is in the form of my child. That's what I'm missing. I'm missing all these family members and looking at Brahmi. வாமான்னு கூப்பிடுறோம். நான் இங்கே தான் இருக்கடான்னு சொல்கிறோம். This is Brahmi. My samsara time is over. Like I'm 66 now. All the responsibility is over. Then she is the one Hamsayukta Vimanagre. This comes in the Ashtamodhyaya, 8th Adhyayam. Incidentally, the Yoga sadhana, Ashtanga Yoga, the last yoga is Samadhi. And at that stage, when I have to get united with Mother, she is the one who reminds me of my primary purpose. Hamsayukta Vimanagre. Then, if I'm lucky, I'll get a guru before itself who teaches me all these things. And now I'm ready to do my japam. Hamsayukta Vimanagre. What is my japam? It is Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. How many mantras I can know? Maybe 20, maybe 100, 33 crores of mantras. Can I know? Can I know the pronunciation? No. That's why she made my life simple yet difficult, saying that, my child, don't worry. I'm in every letter you speak. Sa Aksha Sutra Kamandala, from A to Ksha. I'm there with you. But be careful how you select me. I may be Rajasic, I may be Tamasic, I may be Sattvic. Select those words while speaking. I'm always with you. Saksha Sutra Kamandalam, the power of blessing and cursing also. Being able to protect yourself from the negative energies. Your tapas shakti will depend on Saksha Sutra Kamandalahu. How I speak, other than the puja room. That's what I'm missing. How I speak outside puja room. Then she told number of times, I'm forgetting. Then Strodvala Akshamala Adidhara Rudra Samtita. Akara Adikshakara Matruga Varnarubini. Here again, Saksha Sutra Kamandalahu. So when anybody who does the mantra japam along with the breath, not counting 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 1 hour, 2 hours, breath, and also manages his speech with ability and skill so that he or she will be able to experience Mother in whatever they speak. Sattvika Bhashana, Brahmi. Sattvika Bhashana, Mrudu Madhura Sambhashana, Sarasa Sallapa Bhashana, Jnana Purita Bhashana. These are all the qualities of Brahmi in the vocal cord. So, Kausam Baksharike Devi, how did Brahmi fight with the demon? With an axe? Or with a hammer? Like other devatas? Kausam Baksharike Devi, Mantra Yukta fighting. That means in a sattvic way, she will give you ability to face the difficulties or negativities or opposition in a sattvic way. You may be Rajasic at 30, 35, but after 60, you're supposed to be sattvic. That's the rule. Shashtyabdi Purti. Achira, எகிரி குச்சியே போறோம் நிறுத்து சும்மா then a sattvic period is coming. Kausam Baksharike Devi. And then whoever does this Brahmi sadhana, what is the mantra for Brahmi? If you can note down, Aim Hreem Sreem Am. I'll tell only once time, no repetition. Test for your focus. Aim Hreem Sreem Am Sau Brahmi Matre Kama Sanjeevanyai Namaha Pahimam Rakshamam. Aim Hrim Srim Am Sau Brahmi Matre. Arvind is expecting me to complete the blanks. That is mother. Teases you always. I told you once, only one repetition, right? Kama Sanjeevanyai Namaha Pahimam Rakshamam. This is the mantra for. So basically, how this is distributed by my Guru, it's given to me by my Guru to all our disciples. So how he has done? Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, Punya, Papa. You know Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. Then Punya, Papa has been given to Chamunda and Mahalakshmi. Papa first and then Punya later. So Kama should be Sanjeevanyaya Namaha. I need to have that kind of desires which will be a Sanjeevani for me, which will make me alive when I'm dead with mundane desire. So that is Brahmi. Now you know what is Brahmi, right? It's not a form. It's all kinds of knowledge I receive from different Brahmi devatas around me. Aim Hrim Srim Maheshwari. Now, what is the first thing I need to have? Jnana. That's why in order of preference it is given. The mother is also serving in order of preference. What should you need that I am giving first? That is Brahmi. So, after the knowledge, what I need? Maheshwari, Maha, Ishwari. She is responsible. Normally we give explanation. If you lose a job, if you are requiring a job. Now after hearing this kind of explanation, now you know when we worship Maheshwari for getting a government job or a IAS job, then we know where we are doing the mistake, right? Maheshwari is not just job which we are thinking. Maheshwari is that mother who has been hailed in the 11th Adhyaya of Chandi Path. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Vrittirupena Samstam Namastasai 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 Namo Namaha. That is Maheshwari. Whatever work you do, that is the job. When I'm cooking, when I'm singing, when I'm speaking, when I'm sitting doing nothing, I need to deeply involve myself in that, losing my identity, losing my ownership of that job. This is Maheshwari. Because she is Mahaishwari. She is the ruler for the great cosmos. How am I? I'm not even an atom. Can I think that I'm a ruler for this, I'm a creator for this action? No way. So I should get involved. That's why yoga karmeshu kaushalam. When you focus completely, then you will be disappearing. Only the pure action will be there. This action is automatically controlled by some super power. That's how I'm talking. Trying to talk, not always. And this 1 hour talk, maybe by her anugrah, maybe 30-35 minutes. Going and we can easily see when the mind is flickering. I'm there. Tell this. I need to control that and be blank so that something else speaks through me. And I need to listen to that. I'm not a speaker. I'm a listener.
listener of that. I'm listening and she's speaking through me and you are listening. This is the truth. So, Yadevi Sarvabhuteshu Vrittirupena Samstha. When I see God in the job I am doing, that's why Choka Mela, Dharma Vyadha, they have become Brahmajnanis. Dharma Vyadha is a butcher. When the great Pandits who worship Goddess Mother in the temple cannot even understand the word Brahmajnana, how can a butcher get the Brahmajnani status? Ya Devi Sarvabhute Vrittirupena Samstha. For him, the knife is mother, the goat is mother, the action is mother. Everything is mother in that way. And that kind of union, samyoga sthiti, she'll create. So that you will have equal joy in whatever activity you do from dawn to dusk. Are we having equal happiness? Tell me honestly. From the morning till evening, my graph is going like this. And sometimes I don't like what at all. And I'm not at all liking what I'm doing. I'm expecting something else. But here, Maheshwari Krupa. And the same thing has come in Lalita Sahasranam. Maheshwari, Mahadevi, Mahalakshmi, Mradapriya. Right? There's also one line for getting job. Normally we do Samputi Karana. That's a different thing. So, from whether it's a japam or watching a movie, and I'm talking about movie, I like one aspect of the movie. In one of the Telugu movies I've seen, the hero fights with the villain and he beats him normally. Dushun, dushun, dushun. And the character actor on the villain side tells, let me see who will identify this movie. ఎంత బాగా కొట్టాడురా, ఒక చెట్టుకి అంటు కట్టినట్లు యోగం, అదిరా వాడరా మొగాడంటే. Just fighting. He says how focused he is in fighting, like a yogi, like he's just planting a sapling. So that is, even in fighting, that focus. But what we are doing, because of lack of focus on Maheshwari, I will be cooking and I'll be thinking something else. And I will be in the something else and I'll be worrying about kitchen. This split personality or split of focus will be controlled by Maheshwari. Right? Brahmi Maheshwari Kaumari. Now comes Kaumari. She's, of course, whoever worships Kaumari, they get children. Kumaraswamy, Sarpadosham, all are connected. So they will say, what is the mantra for Maheshwari? Aim Reem Reem Sauhu Maheshwari Matre Krodhanasinyai Namah Pahimam Rakshamam. Now comes Kama Krodha Lobha. Aim Reem Reem Sauhu Kaumari Matre Lobhanasinyai Namah Pahimam Rakshamam. So this Kaumari is not just for children what we imagine. There are so many children daily, by every second we are producing. The thoughts. Kumara. And I'll get that kind of thoughts, that kind of children who kill the negativity in me, the bad things in me, protecting me. That is Kaumari. At that time of marriage, few years later, I may get children. But that's not just Kaumari. Even before marriage also I need Kaumari because I need to control my thoughts. Right? Kubera, Kaumari, these are all same words. Aim, Reem, Dream, Kaumari controls the thoughts coming from in and also protects you from external energies. Kaumari. Brahmi, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Vaishnavi. Let us see how is Kaumari, Vaishnavi. Aim, Reem, Sreem. Tadhaiva Vaishnavi Shakti. Garudo Parisamstita. Shankha Chakra Gada Shanga Khadga Hasta Pipayayo. So, this Vaishnavi Shakti is a power of Vishnu. And she rides Garuda. So, here is the inner meaning of this. When I am in ground level, I see the differences between the buildings, the valleys, plateaus, mountains, everything. In the same way, I see the differences between me and other people. And there is only one marriage for me. That's the traditional marriage. But the Upasana Rahasya says, I need to get wedded to whatever I see. That kind of marriage is not happening because of the differences at the ground level. So, Vaishnavi Shakti, that's when she gets you married at the right age. That's a materialist thing. And also she gives you Patni Manoramam Devi Manovruttanusarini. Patni. So Shanil is ready to write down the mantra. So she gives you a wife who is beautiful, Manorama, beautiful. She gives happiness to the mind, not beautiful just for the looks. And Manovruttanusarini just follows you. That is mundane. At the same time, she is the one who takes you to a higher level. You don't think at Mooladhara level. You think above Vishuddhi. Kechari, here, sky, that's where Garuda flies. So when I come to this level, I don't see any difference. It's just plain. The highest knowledge she will give you so that you'll be wedded, not in the literal sense, wedded with whatever you see, whether it's a plant or an animal or a human being or an insect. There is no difference. That's why Satya Sai used to address the people. Atma Bandhu Lara. Atma Bandhu. So that kind of relationship you have with everyone. What a great blessing. In this mundane world, the relationship is not even maintained at the physical level. Atma Bandhu. And that wedding is called Jagat Kalyanam. That is what is being done in Tirupati on a daily basis. And exactly at 12:30 Muhurtam. Right? So that Kalyanam Vaishnavi will do. And what is the mantra? Aim Reem Sreem Mamam Sau Vaishnavi Matre Mohanasinnye Namah Pahimam Rakshamam. Now comes Varahi. How is Varahi coming? There is another mother. Now, what you got till now? I've got the knowledge. I got the focus to enjoy whatever job or activity I'm doing. And I'm able to control and observe and control the thoughts. My children I'm producing in my brain so that they, they relieve me of my bad qualities and bad decisions which may take me away from mother. And also, this eventually makes me wedded with whatever I see. The universal sangamam happens. Now, still, this 3-tier security, 4-tier security is there for big people. Like that, still I need some security. And then comes Varahi. How is Varahi comes? Yajnavarahamattalam. Yajnavarahamattalam. Kaumari. Aim dream dream am sau. Kaumari matre. Lobhana sinye namah pahimam rakshamam. When I'm talking about mother, can I be strict and cruel? Even though I need to break my rule. I told one rule, I will not repeat. But the mother is the one who can break the rule. Father makes the rule, mother breaks the rule. I'm sorry, in the normal sense, I'm not telling. But father makes the rule. Mother breaks the rule. Homework you can do later. Daddy told not to give food to you, but I can't eat this. She breaks the rule. That's mother. And through father, he learns the discipline, the child. Through mother, he learns peace, love, compassion, unconditional love. That is the beauty of this male and female energy combination. I'm not talking about the figures and personality. There may be male in female, female in male also. So, how is this Varahi coming? Yajnavarahamattalam rupam vyabhibrato hare. Shakti sapyayau tatra varahim bibhratim tanum. So, Gruhitogra Mahachakre Danstrodhrita Vasundare Varahi Rupini Sive Narayana Namostade. She comes with a tusk on her mouth. And inasmuch as I'm cleaning my house on a daily basis, if I don't clean, at one point I won't have space to live in the house. I need to clean. But only problem is, I don't know what to take out. That's why I take a second person and my friend. I'm not able to clean this house. Many number of times I tried, but it's not getting clean. Then Saraswati comes. Let me clean. Come on. This is why you are keeping this. You are not using it. Throw it out. This is called cleaning. And that kind of cleaning, identifying your deficiencies, identifying your weakness, identifying your problem, everything inside. So, like a proclaimer, she digs inside and cleans. That is the one which we need. So, Varahi is the best cleansing energy. Because of that, actually, the 3 different problems come to us because of the non-cleaning. One is marital relationship getting strained. And that is because I cannot identify my ego, and I cannot identify the fact that the problem is not outside, it's only inside. And also, it also can give rise to physical, mental ailment. And it may lead us to legal implications, not the other legal. Legal, that means adharma pravartana. Dharma is legal, adharma. I think I'm doing right, but that's not right. Somewhere deep in it, no. So, when Varahi do, what is the Varahi mantram? Aim Glaum Varahi Namaha. Simple. Aim Glaum Varahi Namaha. Otherwise, in the Matruka way mantra, Aim Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada. Aim Reem Reem Ammam Sauhu Varahi Matre Madanasinye Namaha. Do you see that combination? Just Mada, ego. So, there are different egos, transparent ego, subtle ego. Unfortunately, the transparent ego itself I am not able to observe. Even if somebody tells you're an egoistic personality, do I look like that? No. I always speak soft. I never yell at me. How can you say I'm an egoistic person? Oh, I'm sorry. You're almost equal to God. Then also they'll say, no, don't praise me like that. So one transparent ego, one subtle ego. She goes to the subtle ego level. That's very difficult. That way Varahi Upasana is a little bit difficult, they say. So it takes out that ego, this energy. Excellent for Kali Yuga. Now, everyone needs this. Varahi. What is the mantra? Aim Glaum Varahi Namaha. Oh, Kama Krodha. The Krodha is Maheshwari. So when I'm going to Varahi, somebody is pulling to Maheshwari, and I think that's not right. Right? Okay. Aim Dream Dream Varahi. So far what we have done? I have got the knowledge from Brahmi. I got the focus in whatever activity I do from Maheshwari. I got the ability to understand my thoughts, the inner children, which I produce at every nanosecond, and protect myself from my deficiencies by Kaumari. Subsequently, I'll be enjoying my continuous wedding with whatever I see, so that the greatest samyogam happens, that is universal wedding through Vaishnavi, and Varahi comes and identifies my ego and removes that. Now comes Mahendri. So, when I'm relieved of my inner deficiencies, all other aspects which are detrimental, which are obstruction for my spiritual progress, material progress, naturally I'll be very... Previously I'm notorious, now I become famous. There's a lot of difference between, oh, that fellow is very notorious. He's also known to the world. But from notorious, I'm becoming famous. Mahendri, Indra, Bhoga. Now it's a time for me to enjoy the benefits of the sadhana. And don't forget, this sadhana is not done by reciting mantras, by doing pujas, homas. Apart from that, understanding every energy as universal mother's energy, that gave me the strength of position of Mahendri, who gives me bhoga. And also incidentally, Mahendri, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, Aim, Dream, Dream, Sauhu, Mahendri, Matre, Matsarya Nasinye Namaha. That's Pahimam Rakshmam Kama. So incidentally, Mahendri mantra is also used to get more yield from the land, from the fertile lands, cultivation. What did you sow here? This is the land I'm talking about. The seeds of bhakti, the seeds of devotion, the seeds of progress, the confidence, everything I have sown with the help of Mother. Now it's time to reap the benefits. I'm enjoying my cultivation. And also I become Amatir Medha Sriti Smriti Anantama Punya Anuttama. I lead such a life that nobody can be comparing themselves with me. Supreme life. Celebrity. And I always tell, what is the definition of celebrity status? The one who celebrates his life is a celebrity. I celebrate my life. That's celebrity. And that kind of celebrity status you get by Mahendri. It's another mother. All the famous, not famous, I don't like to use the word famous, all the gurus who do a great job in teaching the righteous way of living in this society. They're all blessed with Mahendri. Unless Mahendri is there, the other person will not listen to you. Even if you say the truth, Mahendri is behind that. Now comes the last two mothers. One is Chamunda. Chamunda Shavavahana. She is the one who takes care of you in sleep. Even there is a lot of meaning in this. So what happens is, it goes like in the Navagrahas, Surya, Chandra, Kuja, Buddha, Brihaspati, up to that 5 planets, we are fine. Gain. Then the Sukra, Venus come, ego develops. Duality develops. And then Dum, Shanishwara, Rahu, Ketu. What a great fall from like a snakes and ladders, 99 or some, the number is there. Big ladder. The next step is the big snake and you come to number 2. Right? Exactly. You played snakes and ladders anytime? This is the one. So here, after getting that fame, the celebrity status, somewhere some negativity can come or some negative energy can affect you. You don't know. You're not completely perfect still. So that's when Chamunda comes to your help. Chamunda, Haim Reem Reem Am Sau Chamunda Matre Papanasinye Namah Pahimam Rakshamam. So, what does she do? Before going to bed, if you recite the name of Mother, asking her to protect you, all you have to do is just do this prayer. Sit on the bed or sleep on the bed. And before you start the slokam, I'm an innocent child. Knowingly, unknowingly, I might have committed so many activities in this day, today. I don't know where they will lead me. And I have not followed many of the dharmas you laid for me. Sorry. That's why Aparadha mantra comes at the end of the puja. Mantrehi aparadha sahasrani krinde ahnisammaya dasaviti mamattakshamassaleltambike. Sorry. How many people say sorry to mother before they go to bed? Good. Say sorry again today before you go to bed. Because you cannot. It's very complicated, Maya. I know. That's what it's in today's Akshaya Tritiya message. It has been told. You know it is Maya, but still you just walk into that. So attractive. Ananga Kusuma, Ananga Mekhala, Ananga Madana, they're going to come soon. So I need to pray. Sorry. I don't know whether I'll wake up or not. Yes or no? Do you know that they are going to wake up? I don't know. This is a wonderful bond between you and mother. Please forgive me. And remove all those factors or thoughts or the elements in me which has been doing all this in my body today, and clean me. And then you recite Lalita Sahasranamam or a mantra Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Go to sleep. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Tram Dattatreya. Don't recite all the mantras. Any one mantra, you just keep on repeating. Doze off. Then this seventh mother comes. Chamunda. What did my child do as the last activity? Wow! He asked for my forgiveness. Well, and he prayed also, let me do the final cleaning. This is the final one. Incidentally, Varahi and Chamunda are diagonally opposite in the Sri Yantra. Varahi is on the Vayavya side, south, northwest corner, and southeast corner is Chamunda. This one is almost low, fine level cleaning, but that one is perfect cleaning, Chamunda. Chandamunda Nishudini Chamunda Paradevata. Chandamunda. Both she kills. That's why she is called Chamunda. So now you're perfectly cleansed. And then come Mother, the great Mother. Aim Reem Reem Am Sau Punyavardhinye Namaha. Punyavardhinye. Sorry. Aim Reem Reem Am Sau Mahalakshmi Matre. Punyavardhinye Namaha. Pahimam Rakshamam. Mahalakshmi Matre, not Lakshmi. Mahalakshmi, all round prosperity, greatest auspiciousness. I don't need to pray individually, Santan Lakshmi, Veda Lakshmi, Dhaira Lakshmi, Dhana Lakshmi. Mahalakshmi, the central force of auspiciousness, take care of me. And now I am enjoying the all round prosperity. So that is the 8 Matruka Devatas. Then I move to the next level, third line. That's when the 10 Mudra Devatas are coming. Mudra is silent communication and happiness, wetness, blissful state, any inferred meaning you can give. But basically, my Guru told Mudra is silent communication. And he gave an example also. In those days, the Sishya will not barge in when Guruji is doing some work. They say, Guruji, can you see this message? No. They won't do that. They will wait and wait and wait. They won't even make a sound. They'll wait till Guruji takes the attention of his presence. Then Guru has to show this mudra. That means, go ahead. Yes mudra, Trikanda mudra. This is a silent communication. When Guru says this, then in the Vedic tradition they do like this because the saliva should not fall on Guru. These are all good for some discipline. And they keep a distance. Now we are maintaining distance. We know how to maintain distance. We didn't follow the dharmic principles. Then a mother forcibly making us stand there. Right? And then they put a mask also. If you have done this before, you would not have been able to have the necessity for wearing a mask more probably. So, what are the mudras? Sarva Sankshobhini is a new recitation. Sarva Sankshobhini, Sarva Vidravani, Sarva Akarshini, Sarva Vashankari, Sarvon Madini, Sarva Mahankushe, Sarva Kechari, Sarva Bije, Sarva Yone, Sarva Trigande, Trailogya Mohana Jakra Swamini, Prakada Yogini. I went to in a different enclosure. That's why there's a so complicated plan of Sri Yantra. You want to meet one lady officer, you go in a different direction, you meet some other lady officer. So you need to know how to properly go around the yantras also, avaranas. So what are these devatas? These are mudra devatas. And it's a silent communication. You show the mudra, definitely it will activate some of the Nadi Mandala and you get that knowledge and energy of that communication. So, what are you communicating with Mother? That I need to know. And we'll handle that tomorrow at 6 p.m. Sri Matra Namaha.